Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Sublime Text into your computer in a very simple way. How are you going to do it? You just need to go for Google Chrome browser, and from here you just need to type Sublime Text over here. And then you will get the Sublime Text download suggestion over here. So if you click on that, then you will get the first website from www.sublimetext.com. If you click on the download Sublime Text, you will get the version build 4189, and if you want to download it into Windows operating system, then you can simply click on Windows. If you have different operating system, then you can simply select any of different operating system over here. So we're going to click on Windows over here, and then after a short time you can see the download has been started. It's about 15.3 MB, so it will take some seconds to download, and you can see it's already downloaded. So if we click on the folder and click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission, and going to remove all the background, and then simply click on next right now and click on add to explore context menu, click on next and install. After a short time it will be installed, and then click finish. After that you just need to come over into the search option and go to search for Sublime Text, and if you open the Sublime Text over here, you can see your Sublime Text will be open into your computer. And now here you can simply click on file, create new file, and you can simply do your coding over here. So this is how you can download and install Sublime Text into your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.